If you want to change the wallpaper on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to open Settings. Next, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and then we're going to go to Wallpaper and Style. And you can either go over here to change wallpapers, or you can tap on the home screen, and then you have Wallpapers button over here in the top left corner. In some cases, we also have different variations for our wallpaper, so you can check that out as well. In my case, I'm just going to go over here. And now we need to simply choose the wallpaper that we wish to use for our home screen. So I'm gonna choose something simple, let's say these colors. And since I want to change it only for the home screen, I just have to uncheck the lock screen over here so that only home screen is selected. And if I go and press next, then in this case, I have some additional options, or actually just one. So I can change colors to something different. So let's say I'm gonna stick with this blue one. And we also have different styles to choose from. So depending on the wallpaper, you might see different options over here at the bottom of the screen. In some cases, we can also zoom in, zoom out, and change the position of the wallpaper. Unfortunately, not in this one. Once you are done, press done over here in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, we changed the home screen wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.